Hi friends, I'm Julie Schiffman with julieschiffman.com, and today we are tapping to soak in all the goodness around us. There is so much goodness around us. Sometimes we have to look for it, but it can be so easy to get caught up in what's going wrong and the struggles and the stress. And so today we're going to focus on soaking in all the goodness. So I want you to come and tap with me. As always, please remember to take responsibility for your own emotional and physical well-being. Take a big deep breath in here and release it. And we're going to start on the inner eyebrow this time. I'm soaking in all the goodness today. I'm soaking in all the goodness. There's so much goodness. And it can be easy to focus on what's hard. It can be easy to focus on what's wrong. It can be so easy to focus on what hurts. And some of this is a habit. I'm so used to feeling all those things. And I'm used to going to that place. And that often doesn't feel good. Or it feels stressful. But today I'm soaking in all the goodness. What feels good right now? Maybe it's the goodness of the sun shining. Or perhaps it's the goodness of the rain or the clouds. I am soaking in the goodness of my life. I'm soaking in the goodness of friendships. I'm soaking in the goodness of me time. And I am soaking up the goodness of the universe. I'm soaking in all the beauty around me. I'm soaking in the goodness of warmth. I am soaking in the goodness I see before my eyes. I'm soaking in the goodness of love in my life. And that can be for anyone I choose. I'm soaking in the goodness of a smile. I'm soaking in the goodness of giving. And I'm soaking in the gift of receiving. I'm soaking in the goodness of saying yes. I'm soaking in the goodness of saying no, if that feels best. I'm soaking in the goodness of humor. And I'm soaking in the goodness of my intuition. I'm soaking in all the feel-good feelings. And I'm soaking in the goodness of good thoughts I'm thinking right now. I'm even soaking in the goodness of imperfections, mine or someone else's. I'm soaking in the goodness of good news. And I'm soaking in the goodness of what's to come. I'm soaking in all the goodness. And sometimes I don't even have to look that far. It can be right in front of me. But on days when it's hard to see, I can come back to this. I am finding something that makes me feel good right now. And this feels so good. I'm soaking in all the goodness. Tap your wrists together and say peace. Take a big deep breath in and release it. What makes you feel good? I would love to know in the comments below. Thank you so much for tapping with me. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now so you don't miss any great tapping that comes out weekly. I have new recordings coming out every week. If you like this video, please hit the like button and be sure to share with anyone who you think can use this. And I mean, who doesn't want to feel good? Keep tapping.